premiere for The Deed starring Sidney Torres. We're excited about this evening.
I'm so pumped. Season 2 is blowing it out the water already. Sidney's coming to the rescue in so many new and innovative ways for our home builders and our New Orleans residents.
It's a show that's really like for people who are looking for their first home. I mean, you can learn stuff out of this season. I put my heart and soul in it. I've been working on it for 7 months, and the flippers are just amazing. They're beautiful people inside and out. It was just great to go through the neighborhoods of New Orleans and work with people who needed help. For me, it's like, are you passionate about this? Are you doing it because of the money? Are you doing it because you want to succeed and help the community and do better for your family? And that's what I look for, and that's what I found in James.
Absolutely incredible. In fact, it was so inspirational.
Watch The Deed. I want you to watch The Deed.
I tell you, the way the first episode ended with such a surprise ending, if that's what to come, this is going to be the best season yet. Follow along the hashtag The Deed.
Stay tuned. There's much more to come. For Talk That NOLA, I'm Casey Ferrand.
And I'm Julie Couret.